Hello, my name is Nur Azdina binti Anwar. I'm from banking, BA119. My number metric is 2023173295.
Hi, my name is Nur Afika Baya binti Muhammad Taufik, and my matrix number is 22023172515.
Hi, my name is Sharifah Nurul Azima binti Ahmad. My number matrix 2023104035.
And hi, my name is Sarah Shakira binti Zalani, the matrix 2022466192.
Annuity is the series of usually equal payment, deposit or withdrawal made at usually equal interval of time. Example of annuity: house rental, installment payments, annual dividends, premium payments on insurance policies. Okay, next, ordinary annuity certain. Ordinary annuity certain, where payments are made at equal interval of payment period. Unless stated, money invested every period means the money is invested at the end of every period.
Future value of the annuity ordinary certain. Future value. Future value or accumulated value is sum of all the future values of the periodic payments that usually used if involves investment or savings. There are interest earned formula, which is future value minus amount of periodic payment. Present value of the annuity ordinary certain. Present value or discount value is sum of all present value of the periodic payment, usually used if involved with loan, lending money from bank or another party. There's an interest paid formula, which is amount of periodic payment minus with present value.
They deposit around 3,050 monthly into an investment scheme that offers interest rate of 3.8% compound monthly. After 5 years of investment, she withdraws the money to pay the down payment of the house she bought. The price of the house is Rm 200,000 and the balance is paid by making 214 monthly payment. The interest rate is charged is 4% compound monthly. Question Roman 1. The total interest earned from the investment scheme. So, in the question, we must find the total interest earned. To find the total interest earned, which is I, we must use formula I equal S minus NR. But we don't have the value of S. So first, we must find the value of S. So to find the value of S, we must use formula S equal R in the bracket 1 plus I power n minus 1 over I. So, R is 350 in the bracket I plus I is 19 over 6,000, n is 16 minus 1, I is 19 over 6,000. So, first we must do in the bracket first 1 plus 19 over 6,000, we get 1.0031666667. So after that we must power 16, we got 1.20888665 minus 1 and we get 0.20888665. We must over 19 over 6,000. After that we get 65.964200035. We must times to 350. After that we get the value of S. The value of S is Rm 23,087.47 cents. After that we can find the value of S. The value of S, we must use formula I equal S minus NR. So S, the value of S is Rm 23 87.47 cent. N is 16, R is 380. So we must do in the bracket first. So 16 times 315, we got 21,000. So RM23 87.47 minus 21,000, and we get the value of I. The value of I is RM 20,087.47 cents.
Question Roman 2 is how to calculate the monthly payment to be paid for the house, which is we have to find R. From the questions, we know that the down payment is equal to S, future value. The cash price for the house is 200,000 and the down payment is 23,087 ringgit and 47 cents. In order to find R, we have to find A. A is equal to cash price minus down payment. Cash price is 200,000 minus with 23,087 ringgit and 47 cents, and we got 176,912 and 53 cents. So, with all the information we get, we have to fill in all the informations into the formula as shown in order to find R, where R is equal to 172 ringgit 6 cents.
What is the trade discount? Trade discount is offered to the customer to attract them in line. This is an effect that enables seller to retain their loyal customer and at the same time to attract new customer. What meaning about cash discount? So what about cash discount? So cash discount is to encourage payment of bill. For example, if the bill is settled within the specified period, the buyer only need to pay the net amount after deduction the cash discount from the amount invoice.
Okay, hello, so my name is Afika and I will be explaining about list price and also net price. First of all, what is list price? So list price is the price at which the manufacturer or wholesaler sell the goods to the customer, which is also known as the retailer, also known as catalog price, listed price, and also advertised price. Alright, the next one is the net price. So what is net price? So net price is the price at which the customer pays to the manufacturer or wholesaler. So usually net price is lower than the list. So in order to find net price, you can use the formula trade discount. So from this formula trade discount, you will move the net price on the left hand side. So to find net price, you can use the list price minus with trade discount. The second formula to find net price is list price minus with list price times D. The next one. So in net price, we have two kinds of discount. So the first one is net price for single discount, and the second one is net price for chain discount. The formula for the net price for single discount is net price equals to list price times with 1 minus D. And then the second one is net price for chain discount. So chain discount actually means that you will be offered to multiple of discount. So that is why it is called as chain discount, because it has multiples of offered discounts. So it is also the same, but it will be multiple. So net price, to find the net price for chain discount, you can use the formula net price equals to list price times with 1 minus D1 and then 1 minus D2 and then times with 1 minus D3. So D1, D2 and D3 is the multiples of discounts.
So I want to explain about formula trade discount. So trade discount have a two formula, which is the first formula is trade discount equal list price minus net price. So the next second formula is trade discount equal list price times trade discount rate. So this is formula you can use, but we should look at the question first. So next, I want explanation of the formula cash discount. So the formula the cash discount is cash discount rate divided by the number of days. So I mean 3 divide 10 and divide 20, and then calculate for payment when the invoice include with under cost. So I will explain the question 1 is single discount equivalent to the trade discount. So in the question we have D1 10%, D2 8%, LP is list price, we get 2,300 ringgit, and cost we get 2,000 ringgit. And second cash discount we get 5 divide 10, 2 divide 20 and divide 16. The last we get invoice date. Invoice date is 21 February 2021. So in the question we're going to the formula single single discount. So for example, formula for single discount is D equal 1 minus in bracket 1 minus D1 and in bracket 1 minus D2. D1 and D2 we put in, for D1 we put in 0.1 and D2 we put 0.08. After we put in D, we have to calculate. For example, 1 minus 0.1 and 1 minus 0.08. After we total, we get 0. For D1 we get 0.8 and D2 we get 0.92. And we have to total of all of them, which is 1 minus in bracket 0.9 and in bracket 0.82 in bracket. After we total of all them, we get 0.172. So I want to explain the second question, this trade discount amount. In this question, we can formulate trade discount is TD is trade discount equal LP is list price times D. And so LP we're going to put 2,300 ringgit times by 0.172. Where we want to get D that is in the first question. Then we total all of them and we get 3,095 ringgit 60 cents.
Moving on to the next one, which is the net price after deducting the trade discount. So first and foremost, list down all of the informations. So list price is 2,300 ringgit, D1 is 10%, D2 is 8%. Don't forget to change the percentage into the decimal point. So how to solve this question is you can solve this question by using the net price formula, which is list price times with 1 minus D1 and then times with 1 minus D2. So based on the question, it is stated that it is excluding the transportation cost of 200 ringgit. So actually you don't have to deduct the amount of 2,300 ringgit with the 200 ringgit cost. So just follow the formula, substitute all of the informations into the formula, then you will get the 2,300 ringgit times with 0.828. So the amount of net price after deducting with the trade discount is equal to 1,904 ringgit 40 cents. The next one is total payment if the invoice is paid on 3rd March 2021. So to solve this question, you have to make a timetable. So what you have to search is you have to find the number of days between the invoice date and also the payment date. Then insert the invoice date and also the payment date into the timetable. Then what you have to do is, okay, so in the February 2021 we only have 28 days. Then 28 days minus with 21, then you will get the 7 days. Thus 7 days plus 3, you will get total number of days is equal to 10 days. So in the cash discount terms, between 1 to 10 days, you will get the 5% of cash discount. So C is equals to 5%. In order to find payment, you have to use the formula list price times 1 minus D1 times with 1 minus D2 times with 1 minus C plus cost. Then substitute all of the informations into the formula, and then the total payment if the invoice is paid on 3rd March 2021 is equals to 2,009 ringgit and 80 cents. So that is all from us. Thank you for giving us your attention. Goodbye.